B COMM, we're a microtrenching company. We do microtrenching for Google here in Austin.
B COMM's been partners with Vermeer for probably about 10 years now. We've been providing them equipment from microtrenchers, vacs, mini skids, drills, all across the board. Microtrenching is ramping up a lot, and B COMM's been the tip of the spear with it.
What we usually do is make sure we get service to each one of these houses and do a clean job.
Microtrenching is essential, it's needed, quicker, it's cleaner. Big part is damage to utilities is to a minimum. You're not going as deep, you're staying on the streets.
That's a plus for us. Homeowners love it because we don't really have to go into the landscaping to work.
It's become a lot easier for them to just cut, go.
Something specific on this attachment that I really like, it goes all the way to 17 inches deep. With the other machines we usually use, it goes only 16, so we have a harder time to keep the trench clean. And with this one giving us that extra inch, that really helps us a lot.
People always get excited about testing new things, and especially when it comes to prototypes, they know that there's only a few.
Definitely has more power to it. You go deeper on the trench and it goes the same speed as is when you're going like 8 inches. It goes the same speed as when you're going 16, so that helps us a lot.
At the end, I think they really enjoyed seeing this unit run.
It's a great add-on to our equipment. My operator loves it. He likes it because it's much faster than the other one we usually use. It's much stronger, it leaves the trench cleaner, so it's easier for everyone from the front end all the way to the back end.